Geometric series. A geometric series is the sum of a geometric sequence, i.e. adding the individual terms, in much the same way as it was with an arithmetic series and its relationship to an arithmetic sequence. So for example, we looked at one where we had a first term of 4, we multiplied by 3, and now for a series all we're doing is adding the terms. Of course you could write out every term and add them together, but that could take a long time. So instead there are two formulae to use. So summing n terms, this is the first term, common ratio to the power n take away 1 over r minus 1, or we've got this one here. Now note that they are actually the same formula, just written slightly differently. Here we've got r to the n minus 1, and here we've got 1 minus r to the n. Which one you use really doesn't matter, because your calculator's doing most of the work anyway. So a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms that we're adding. It doesn't really matter which of the formula you use, as you'll always be doing it using a calculator, as I just mentioned. Remember, your CAS can do this for you. Now, we've looked at this on the CAS, how we use that sigma column in the table when we're doing the sequence generator. But once again, you'll need to know the formula in order to show enough working to gain full marks. If the common ratio is between -1 and 1, then the sum of the sequence will eventually stop growing, or at least it grows very, very slowly. By finding what is called the sum to infinity, we can find this final value. It's called a limiting value. What happens is the sequence never actually gets there, but it gets closer and closer and closer, but never gets there. The formula for the sum to infinity is just a over 1 minus r.